presents The Shadow. The very name strikes terror in the hearts of sharp-toothed lawbreakers and criminals. Today, the temple bells of Nibbon. Friends, if you want to be sure that fuel you get to heat your home this winter is safe, healthy, and economical fuel, then by all means buy blue coal. Remember, the superior quality anthracite has been colored blue so you can recognize it as a glance. Ask for blue coal by name. Order a supply today.
The bells, Shadow. The bells of Nibbon. They will reveal you.
Your third mistake, Saddi, and your last. Ha 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 ha.
No, it is your mistake, and your last. This is the end of your career as the Shadow.
Well, Margo, we'll make this a large evening. A couple of hours at the club Kale. Will that intrigue you? Oh, lovely, but not too late. I have an appointment at 10 o'clock in the morning at the Women's Club. They're trying to get some action on this terrible narcotic situation. Oh, yes, I read about that. Oh, there's something terrible all over the town. They found school children using it, society women's wives, already caused over half a dozen suicides. Oh, yes, I know. It's terrible stuff. Oh, it needs the Shadow to get to the bottom of this. Yes, I know, dear, but tonight I do enjoy being myself. Lamont, Cranston, dilettante. Just be a Shadow in real emergencies. You know, they said there's a lovely new Indian dancer, Club Kale. Indian dancer? You know, there's a place just there. Club Kale, Shadow. Yes,